All you ever do is play the victim like a dead son.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be flying my DJI Phantom 3 standard. So I've had a couple of flights with it and I haven't felt 100% confident with the drone, but last night I was messing around with some of the settings on it, like the camera quality and just a couple of different flight options, and now I'm going to go out and test it and just mess around with a few more bits. And I thought, why not film it? It's to do with my channel, it's going to make my videos better, so why not make a video out of it? Another thing that I want to quickly talk about is all mods from Sunday just gone. I've got a video literally waiting to go up. The video is technically on my channel, but it's private, so no one can see it. I had a message, I had a phone call basically saying that I can't upload the video yet because a lot of stuff that was illegal was going on at the car meet, and I actually filmed some of it. So the video is being reviewed and processed as we speak, basically. And I'm literally just waiting on the go-ahead to say, yeah, okay, the video's fine, you can upload it. But yeah, I just thought I'd speak about that because when that video goes up, you hear me talk about the drone, but I don't give it too much away because I sort of wanted to surprise you guys by saying, oh yeah, I've got something new that I'm going to bring out in this video. I'm not going to say what it is, I'm just literally going to put it in the video and see if you realise. So it probably won't make sense when you come to watch it, but that's why I thought I'd explain it now. So without further ado, I'm going to go and get the drone set up.
Oh yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, hey, look. All you ever do is play the victim like a dead son. I ain't got no time to be spending with you. I've been in the system like a dead son. All I ever did was say I love you. Why you play the victim? I ain't did nothing. Telling all your friends everything but the truth. Now you're not the victim, you admit some. Cause you see me doing everything I said I do. Making moves, yeah. I was never there. Didn't have a car, was broke on jail, yeah. Didn't have bail, went to prison, came back, raising hell, yeah. Fuck a felony, you should see the way they texting me when I'm out these streets. All they ever said was, you just need some backwards so you can open up your fucking mind and see. You believe in me like I believe in you. You ain't need to love me unless you was in the mood. Validate me like I was in the wrong. Let a post drink Jack Daniels and keep calm till I'm gone. But I'm still here, treat you like a side player when I'm on the field, yeah. Tell me how you feel, wait, hey. All you ever do is play the victim like a dead son. I ain't got no time to be spending with you. I've been in the system like a dead son. All I ever did was say I love you. Why you play the victim? I ain't did nothing. Telling all your friends everything but the truth. Now you're not the victim, you admit some. Cause you see me doing everything I said I do. Making moves, yeah. My son is a Libra. Got his fucking feet up on my kingdom. Got him everything that my queen want. Everything is under my familia. Probably thought I end up like my dad since he learned about my past, but I ain't feeling that, no. And he remind me of you. Cause all you ever do is play the victim like a dead son. I ain't got no time to be spending with you. I've been in the system like a dead son. All I ever did was say I love you. Why you play the victim? I ain't did nothing. Telling all your friends everything but the truth. Now you're not the victim, you admit some. Cause you see me doing everything I said I do. Making moves, yeah.
Brown sugar never been so sweet, but vanilla ice cream is my favorite dish. Blacker the berry, the sweet or the drip. Make a cheesecake, last bit we can split it. Why you care what my pigment is? Held me down, I was progressing. Reminded me